Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Microsoft Word. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open up Microsoft Word. So I have an icon right here, down here at the bottom, so I'm going to open up Microsoft Word, and I'm going to pick a blank document. So once I've opened up Microsoft Word, you're going to notice there's a lot of little tabs. So you have the Home tab, Layout, Document Elements, and there is a tab for tables. I want you to click on that tab for tables. Okay, so we're going to create a table. And before we start with this, I want to label what my table is. So I'm going to make a table, and it's going to be my first table in my document. So I'm going to label it Table 1, and it's going to be dog breed sizes. So I'm going to hit Enter. And I'm going to insert a new table. To do that, I'm going to click over here on the left where it says New. And all I'm going to do is I have to select the number of rows and the number of columns I would like. So I'm going to pick 3 different sizes. We have small, medium, and large. And then I'm going to pick 2 examples for each one. So we have small, medium, and large, and then I need 2 examples. So I'm going to have a 3 by 3 table. So I'm going to click on that, and you're going to notice it pops up here. Okay? So I'm going to label, put in all of my data first. So I have small dogs, small dog breeds, medium dog breeds, and large dog breeds. So once I've done that, I'm going to give 2 examples of each. So for small dogs, I have Chihuahua and Boston Terriers. Terrier. For medium dogs, we have dogs like Australian Shepherds, and Brittany's, which is what my dog is. For large dog breeds, we have things like German Shepherds and Great Danes. And I'm not pluralizing. Okay, so from here, you're going to click on your table, and you're going to go to Table Styles. So you can select any type of table style. We have ones like this that just make them look a little bit different. Okay, I'm going to select one that has a different color up top because this is where my category headings are, and the bottoms are examples. So notice it highlighted these 2. I don't really want those 2 highlighted, so I'm actually going to highlight this part. I'm going to go back to Home, and I'm going to unbold it, just like I would any other normal text. So from here, the next thing I notice is I don't have any borders, and I would like borders. So I'm going to re-highlight my table. You can come over here to where it says Borders on the right-hand side. I'm going to click on Borders, and I want all borders. Okay? If I wanted to change the coloring of the lines, I could change the color. I could make them blue like they were before. It's really up to me. But I'm going to leave them the way they are right now. Okay, so from here, what we can do next is click back on our table. You're going to notice this thing called Table Layout. What I really wanted to point out here is one thing. So over here, we have something called Properties. So for Properties, we can select if we were putting this into a textual document, where we would like to center it. So would we like it on the left, more centered, or to the right? And then we can also select if we would like text to go around it, or if we would like to go only on top or only on bottom. Okay, so for mine, I'm going to say it's to the left, and I would like to wrap text around. So you would hit OK. So why would this be important? Well, if I would like to change the sizes, I can just drag. Drag to move the columns around. If I can get this one. There we go. Okay, and then if I was to do this and click Properties, I wanted it centered. Okay, it would move into the center. Okay, or I can move it back, however we'd like. So, from here, The last thing I would like to show you about this is we could end up adding an extra row. So if I need to add an extra row, I can add a row below just by simply clicking the button. Okay? If I then wanted to delete a row, all I would have to do is click the delete, and I can delete a certain cell, or I could delete the whole row that's highlighted. So there's your tutorial on how to create a table in Microsoft Word. Thank you.